using Roku on your Cinema HD. Wow, can you believe it? Well, I'm about to show you how you can do it. You don't want to miss this. Coming up next, let's go. So what are we talking about here, guys? Watching Cinema HD, for example, or other APKs on your Roku device. Your Roku is just not totally useless. Yes, you can watch Android apps on your Roku. How? You can even watch Kodi on there if you wanted to. That's a bad word in this channel. I know, I'm gonna get a bunch of hate for it. But go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you think about Kodi. Anyways, if you're new, go below and subscribe. Hit the little bell, keep alert of all my videos. That way you don't miss anything like this. Anytime we have videos like this, you'll be one of the first ones to know. Remember, we're giving away 500 bucks this month. My girl wants to give an extra 500. Considering it, we might do 1,000, okay? But anyways, for sure the 500, all you gotta do is go below, comment, and subscribe. That way you'll be eligible. We're also giving away Roku and Video Shield and the projector. That's where you're eligible. When it comes to the products, that's United States only, but when it comes to cash, it's worldwide. So everybody's eligible to win that, okay? Today is what? Roku Thursday. I know you guys love Roku Thursday, right? In this instance, we're gonna use an APK to watch it on your Roku. Now, you guys know how much I love Roku. That's why we do Roku Thursdays here. Just about every Thursday, we try not to miss them. We were absent for a while, but we're back because there's just so much to do with the Roku, guys. And I just love the picture quality of when it comes to IPTV or it comes to movies, etc. But if you're interested in an IPTV service for your Roku or for any other Android device, I'm gonna put in the description below. Click there, send you directly there, and you can purchase it if you like. That's totally up to you. If you already have one, then good for you. A while back, I did a video talking about watching Kodi on your Roku. Again, that's a bad word here on this channel because we don't use Kodi here for anything. Not anything bad against Kodi, but we just think it's outdated already and we're moving on. We're in the 2020 already, guys, all right? Let's get with it. Let's get with the program. APKs are so much easier. Movies are so much easier to watch. What's an APK? For a lot of you guys that are beginner, they're applications that you get to watch on your Android devices. Simple and easy. You open up the app with one click and you have your tiles just like Netflix. You go up and down, watch a movie, select, and there you go. Some like Cinema HD are a little bit more complicated only because they give you they give you separate links. But you have other ones that are one click. You just click on the tile, on the movie, press play, and it plays automatically. That's for a different video. For this video, we'll be talking about specifically, I guess, Cinema HD. How do you watch Cinema HD? You can watch it if you have a Roku Express, if you have a Roku 3, 4, Roku Ultra, whatever. You know they have so many Roku devices, right? Me personally, a lot of people ask me, what do I use? I use the Roku Express. I have them all, but I use Express. It's portable, it's small, you put it in the back of your TV. It's simple, and it's awesome, right? And I have all the features. I can use the headphone jack because I use my phone. I can use all the features and just take it to the max, right? So that's what I use. That's 29 bucks. Maybe it's gone up to 39. I'm not sure. Let me know what it costs. Comment below, let me know what it costs. You use it on that. You don't have to go and buy an expensive Roku. You don't have to have an expensive Roku to watch APKs like that. This is an Android device, but don't get confused. We're gonna watch it on the Roku. I'm gonna show you easily with one simple app how you can do it. There's many ways of doing it, many ways of watching it, but this is one of many ways, okay? So let's get into that. Here's an example how you're gonna do this on your device. You can have an Android phone. You can have whatever phone that you have. You can have a tablet. For instance, I'm using this example on a Lenovo tablet, 10-inch display, all right? Love it, love the way this display works because this is also a projector, believe it or not. It projects out the bottom, so that's pretty awesome. All right, but you guys don't want to hear that. So you guys know the way this app works. I'm gonna put in the description below where to get this app if you don't already have it. Just click on it, you can download it, it's very simple. So what do you want to use, for example? Let's see, what do you want to watch? TV shows, movies, you have your history and your favorites, you have all these other settings here. But right now we're gonna go to movies, right? We're gonna select a movie, for example, all right? Let it load up, we're gonna let it load up, let the tiles load up, and then here you have your selection of movies. And just to show you that you can do this on your phone as well, this is one of many ways, okay? Let's say we're gonna click on Sonic, for example. All right, if you have this, you can already automatically cast. Let me click on this. That's my 75-inch TV. So I don't have to use anything else. If I didn't want to use a Roku, we just cast it directly on there. But since we're doing the Roku, we're gonna select a link here. And this application, you would have to choose a link, right? On this application, you would have to choose a link. So we're gonna choose this link and then you can open with, and then you have all this stuff you can open with, right? I'm gonna show you this on my phone as well, just so you can see the difference. You see when I said I clicked on open with, right? Let's go back to a movie. We're gonna click on open with, but here you see a different selection. Here you're gonna see a different selection. You're gonna see that selection, which is cast web video. You click on that, you can direct it directly to your Roku, or you can do it directly to your Fire Stick or your TV. That's the only way, that's one of the easiest way of doing it. Again, you didn't see it here because you see I didn't install the app here, but if you go to the Play Store, I'm gonna show you. We'll go to the Play Store and type in cast. You have casters here, all kinds of different casters you can choose from. See all that? You can choose any of those. You don't have to use the one that I just showed you. This is one of many ways of doing it. So once you install this app, that's gonna give you, not every single one, so you have to check it first, but that will allow you to cast any APK that you have, the majority of your APKs, onto your Roku. That way you don't use a device, you use the device as a Chromecast. And you can use your APKs, Kodi, etc. All right, now that you saw that, it was simple enough. You guys are gonna say, wow, what did I think about that? Maybe some of you already have. Now, show me some other options. If you know any other options, comment below. Let me know which way do you do it to watch APKs on your Roku, or you don't even like using Roku, but comment below. That way you'll be eligible to win the 500 or maybe the $1,000, okay? And the products, okay? Do that. Everything we do here is easy peasy. You guys know this, because I try to make everything as simplicity as possible, as easy as possible. For the merch, Touchtone hat, to start off with, we got the shirts, we got everything else. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. I appreciate you guys like always. You know that we do everything here, guys. It's my Tone Squad for life. I appreciate you guys. If I catch anybody wearing one of my shirts, you get $150 on the spot. Appreciate you guys like always. You know how we do here. Peace and grace. Catch the new tech wave.